Hello, my name is I am a former Japanese teacher. こんにちは、I です。Today, I'm going to introduce how to make question sentence in Japanese. But before that, yesterday I watched a Netflix anime, My Happy Wedding. So I will pick up one phrase from there. But before that, I'm going to introduce how to make question sentence in Japanese. That is very simple. Normal Japanese sentence, they have one line and then we put ka the end. Nani nani ka, and it makes sentence question. Or in the verbal conversation, we just change the end question tone. So, for example, we have the sentence 大丈夫です。大丈夫です。It means I'm alright or no thank you. So it means I'm alright or it's okay. 大丈夫です。And if you want to ask someone if he or she is okay, we can ask 大丈夫ですか？大丈夫ですか？ We put か in the end. So it's already question sentence. So we don't need to change like English. We just have one normal sentence and then put ka. Or if I am a friend of her or him, I just say 大丈夫？大丈夫？ We can omit ですか？ Because I changed the nuance, I changed the tone, so it's already question mark. So let's pick up some phrases from my happy wedding. So my happy wedding is 私の幸せな結婚。私の幸せな結婚。私 means I, but when you put no, it is linking word, so it means my, and 幸せな is happy, and 結婚 is marriage. But this one is okay. I want to introduce some phrases from my happy wedding. So from episode 4, there are a girl and her fiance. And she want to give a present to him. And she wanted to go to the shopping, and he also, he said, I can come with you. But this girl, she doesn't want to, so she said, "それは大丈夫です。それは大丈夫です。Here, this one, in this case, this x equal y. So それ means it. But in that case, it refers to something he mentioned. He wanted to come with her, but she doesn't want to. So それは大丈夫。大丈夫。In this case, no thank you. Because she doesn't want him to come with her. So, それは大丈夫です。それは大丈夫です。Another episode, and also in the same episode, this episode, she went to the city and had a shopping. And then she went to shopping with her servant, So there are two ladies at the house, and then the servant asked her, I'm going to make a tea. I'm going to make a tea. お茶をお入れしますね。This is a little bit difficult grammar, so I will skip it, but お茶 is tea. お入れする、お入れします is the formal version of make a tea. So, one servant, she said, お茶をお入れしますね。But, this main character, the lady, she did not want to, so she said, いえ、大丈夫です。いえ、大丈夫です。In this case, いえ means no. And 大丈夫です。It's already mean no thank you. So, in the episode 4, if you watched an anime Netflix, My Happy Wedding, you can hear それは大丈夫です。いえ、大丈夫です。In the context of no thank you. And in the same series, episode 5, the girl, she had a bad dream. 悪い夢。悪 is adjective, it means bad, and 夢 means dream. So she had a bad dream, and then he said, 大丈夫か He said 大丈夫か So he put か in the end, so this is question sentence. So are you alright? He asked 大丈夫か And he skipped 大丈夫です He just skipped 大丈夫です and he put かBut I think this is anime, so I understand. But if I were in the same situation, I will ask 大丈夫 not put か but it's okay. And then, also same series, episode 6. Again, this lady Miyu got into the trouble and then she got injured. And that fiance, this guy, he helped her and she got injured. So she got injured, but she woke up. That's in that scene, the fiance, he said, 本当に大丈夫か Again, he said か here. So this is a question sentence. 本当に大丈夫か本当に means really? So, in that case, are you really okay? 本当に大丈夫か本当に大丈夫か So yesterday I watched that anime from episode 1 to I think it's 7 in the Netflix and I found 4 phrases saying 大丈夫です大丈夫です or 大丈夫ですか or 大丈夫か So if you are interested in, please check it out. Then some of you wonder because I said when I ask a friend of mine, I will say 大丈夫 not 大丈夫ですか But in real world, sometimes we need to say 大丈夫ですか? I'm going to give you one example. We have to use this 大丈夫ですか in Japan. That is emergency. So if you see someone on the ground, let's say this is a person lying on the ground, and first things we have to do is checking if that is a safe environment, so if there is no cars or it's not dangerous or not. And then second, we have to check this person has a conscious or unconscious. So in that case, we need to touch his or her shoulder and then ask, 大丈夫ですか? 大丈夫ですか? That is this sentence. Are you okay? And if this person doesn't show any reaction, we have to go to the next step. But anyway, we need to use this 大丈夫ですか? This sentence, full sentence in verbal communication that is for emergency. But I also found another anime, Demon Slayer. The character Shinobu said this phrase. So I have another example from Demon Slayer. And main character Zenitsu, he wearing this kind of clothes and he fighted against spider demon and he was unconscious like that. And then another lady called Shinobu and wearing this kind of clothes and she came to rescue this person. And then Shinobu said, 大丈夫ですか? 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 So this is how to make a question sentence in Japanese, an example from some animes. But not only anime, not only this 大丈夫 sentence, I'm just going to explain, I'm just going to introduce a normal sentence and you will learn if you use the Genki textbook. So normally x equal y, if you learn it, 木村さんは木村さんは学生です。So this is normal Japanese lesson. 木村さん is the name of the person. The name of the person, 木村さんは学生 means student. 木村さんは学生です。This is normal sentence. And if you want to make a question sentence, what do you do? Yes, we need to put か at the end. So, 木村さんは学生ですか? You can just put か at the end. So, if you have a friend called Mary-san, the Mary, and if you want to ask her if she is a student, you can ask メアリーさんは学生ですか? メアリーさんは学生ですか? And also, you can use this question sentence to ask where is something. So if you want to go to Japan and want to go somewhere, maybe Tokyo Tower or like any places you wanted to go, you can say 何々はどこですか? 何々はどこですか? 何々 you can put the location you want to go, and どこ means where, and か the end. 何々はどこですか? You can ask where is the location. So let's say if you go to Kyoto and if you want to go to Fushiminari, which is a shrine and famous for fox, and you can put here Fushiminari. That is the name of the shrine in Kyoto. Fushiminari wa, and it is famous like this. Fushiminari wa doko desu ka? Fushiminari wa doko desu ka? You can ask where is this shrine. So now I hope you know how to make a question sentence in Japanese. Thank you for watching and see you next time. またね